though we had already configured the proxy while installing the operating system, I hope you still remember, while configuring the manager and the worker 1 and the worker 2, we had configured the proxy IP. But it's good to do a double check. So before we proceed to installing the manager, packages and all the things, I need to make sure that if my configuration, the proxy configuration for the package manager, in our case apt, because we are using Ubuntu machine. So I have to check whether the package manager is configured to use the proxy or not. Though we have done it, let's do a cross check. So first I'm onto the manager. So you should be going to etc apt.conf.d, sorry. In this directory, you will find a file with the latest timestamp. So in my case, this is this 90 curtain -apt proxy. Now this name can be different. So the name doesn't matter. What you should be checking is the timestamp. So this is the current timestamp here, whatever I have been using. So this is the file. So this is the file name in my case, 90 curtain apt proxy, which is having the latest timestamp. So if I check this file, now this file name will be different in your case. It can be different. So if I check this, if I just do a cat of 90 curtain apt proxy, I should be seeing my proxy IP address and the port. So this entry should be there. If you have this entry, that means my package manager in my case apt, this is configured to use the proxy. So means there will be no issues in installing the packages. That's why it is very important to double check it before we jump onto installing the packages on the manager and the workers. So I have to check it the same thing on other machines. So I go, this is done, this is cool. I go to the node 1. Node 1 also I check etc apt.conf.d, sorry, cd etc apt or apt.conf.d. you should have same file is there, see 90 curtain. So I access it. Good, the same entry is there on the node 1 also. Node 1 is also pointing to the proxy for the package manager. So in my now means the package manager knows that whenever I had been instructed to install a package, I should be first reaching this machine. Wonderful. So this was the job we had done while during the installation. That made my life easier. Otherwise, you have to create this file manually. If it is not done during the installation of the operating system. Let's check it here on the node 2. So I do a cd etc apt.conf.d, same file 90 curtain dot. This node 2 has also got the same configuration. So this will be using the proxy to fetch the packages. That's great. So if this is done, you have checked this, we are ready to install the Kubernetes manager or install the packages on the Kubernetes manager. So if this is cool, please feel free to move to the next topic.